This simple trick will make you a guitar hero. It's a short process, but it's going to take a little bit of practice, so stay with me. Let's start off by doing alternate picking on each string individually with only the right hand. Depending on your current skill level, you may need to spend some time practicing that one before moving on. But if you're ready, let's level up to speed picking. If you're doing good on that, congratulations, that's a tough one. Now let's go ahead and add the left hand with the A minor pentatonic scale. If you already know that one, skip ahead, otherwise I'm going to show you right now. Let's start it off on the 6th string at the 5th fret and then to the 8th fret. Then go to the 5th string and do the 5th fret and 7th fret. And again on the next string, 5th and 7th. And again on the next string, 5th and 7th. The bottom two, 5th fret, 8th fret, 5th fret, 8th fret. Be sure to do alternate picking all the way across there. There's only one more step to do now, but first hit like if you're getting value out of the video so far. Now let's combine the speed picking with the A minor pentatonic scale. We're just going to use the first 4 notes though, so we'll be at the 5th fret and the 8th fret, and then the 5th fret and the 7th fret on the 5th string. And then you'll start off by speed picking on the 5th fret of the E string here. Do that as long as you need to, and then as soon as you're ready, drop in with the other 3 notes. Alright man, you can handle the rest from there. Start on the D string at the 5th fret and go forward 4 notes from there. Then start on the G string at the 5th fret and go forward 4 notes from there, and so on. Try this with some different scales, and as you do this, let the pick hand lead. As soon as you start speed picking, then let your fret hand drop in when you're ready. This will get you some crazy speed, and you can be a guitar hero after getting this mastered. So thanks so much for watching. I appreciate you subscribing to the channel, and thank you for your support. If you'd like to get my help personally, go to kjzmusic.com to book a guitar lesson online or in person if you live here in Colorado, and also check out my Guitar Accelerator course that's now available online, also at kjzmusic.com. I'll see you in the next one.